Welcome to the FSTWiFi application guide brought to you by Timeguard Customer Services. The FSTWiFi is a wireless app-enabled fused spur-time switch. It features a permanent on or off facility as well as a boost function. It can be programmed from any location using a compatible Android or Apple device over a secure 4G or Wi-Fi connection. Please take a moment to study the control functions.
Using the application on your device.
Open the app on your mobile phone or tablet. You will then be greeted by the devices that have been registered to your account. If you have not set the app to remember your account details, log into the app manually. Click on the settings icon to enter the advanced settings menu. You will see a list of different options. Add devices would be used to add additional FSTWiFi devices where required on the property. Edit and remove devices would be used to remove FSTWiFi devices where required on the property. When the tenancy of the property changes, the account holder must remove the device for the new occupants. Add user would be used to add additional sub-accounts. An example of this would be for when the homeowner requires the tenants to have limited control of the account. Sub-account holders cannot deregister a device from the main holder's account. Edit and remove user would be used to modify sub-account information or remove the account from the main holder completely. An example of this would be for when there is a change of tenants. App download is used to check for updates for any newer versions of the application. As you can see, this current version is up to date. The user manual section allows you to download the instructions for your device. The About section will list the company address and the support line contact number for any customers who are having trouble using their device. Config devices is used to set the devices to a new Wi-Fi network. If you change internet providers, you will need to reconfigure your devices to keep them in sync. Time format is used to change the clock format between the 12 and 24-hour setting. This can be done at any point and will not affect the programs in operation. When the time format is set, press the back button to navigate back to the advanced settings menu. This section provides a link to the company's privacy policy. All users should be made aware of the policy prior to using the product. Press the back button to navigate to the devices on your account.
Configuring your FSTWiFi device.
On the Devices menu, you will see all of the products you have registered to your account. Tap on the product you want to configure. You will see the default screen for controlling the essentials of the device. You can see that the next on time is set to 9:45 AM. The FSTWiFi has also been set to auto mode. Next you can see the Advanced button. It can be used to turn on the device early, before the program itself. It can also be used to turn off a program prematurely, should it be required. As you can see, the output has been switched on, before the actual program's on time. The program's off time will still remain valid, and will not result in a permanent on situation. To return to auto mode, press the Advanced button to disable early activation. You may also leave the program to run down as normal, and the unit will return to regular operation. Next will be the Boost button. Pressing this button will turn on the device for a 1-hour period with a single press, or a 2-hour period with 2 presses. A third press of this button will cancel any boost operation. Next will be the Program button. Pressing this button will take you to the programming section of the app to create, modify or remove programs. You can see that a trial program has already been entered for the purpose of the video. If you want to set a new program, tap on the New Program icon at the bottom right of the application. If you have created a new program, it must be given a name. Once the program's name is set, select and hold the program to bring up the Edit option. For the purpose of the video, a trial program has already been put in place. To change the day configuration of the program, select any of the days. A Settings tab will be displayed to configure the day operation to suit the program. Select the On Time to change the configuration of the program. In this instance it is set to 9:45 AM. A Settings tab will be displayed to configure the starting point to suit the program. Using the phone controls, the time can be changed as needed. For the purpose of the video, the trial program will remain unedited. Follow suit with the same method. When configuring the endpoint for the program, press the back button until the essential controls for your device has been reached. You will see the app updates the status of the program automatically. If the program is due to be active at this point, there will be an output current from your FSTWiFi device.